Hey everyone, it's Kara. So today I was going to show you guys the June scent of the month for Scentsy. When you're a consultant, you can subscribe to either get the scent of the month, which is what I did, or you can subscribe to get the warmer and the scent of the month. So I just got the scent of the month because I don't need the warmer, and I don't really do like events and shows and all that stuff. So I figured I would just subscribe to the scent of the month club, or the scent of the month, so I can get it ahead of time and give it away as samples and stuff. So I figured I would show you guys what is the June scent of the month, and if you would like a sample, please let me know and I'd be happy to mail it to you. Yeah, let's get started. So the scent of the month for June is called Squeeze the Day. And as soon as I opened the box, like as soon as I cut the tape and started undoing the box, I could smell this right away. It's very lemony scented. So if you don't like lemon flavored things, you won't like this. I love lemon, so I love this. It's very sweet, and it's just like straight up lemon with a little bit of sweet. So I think it has a little bit of vanilla in it. I don't know, I'll have to look at the scent description, but they sent me 9 of these bars, so I'll keep one for myself, and I'll use the other ones to either make as samples, or I'll ask my mom and sister if they want one. So then I got the sample, Squeeze the Day. This is what we get for as consultants if you're hosting a bag party or something. You can throw this in there. If somebody just wants to try it out and they live near you, you can meet up with them and they can smell this. So they get I got that. This is the room spray, so that'll be nice to keep in the kitchen area. We have 72 scented stickers. So these are little stickers that I can put on when I'm handing out samples or mailing out postcards or something. I can throw these in there. And these are the brochures for the month. This is what the warmer is going to look like. It's like a lemonade pitcher. Let me see if I can open this and see if this is... Oh yeah, here we go. So the lemonade pitcher is the warmer of the month, and then you get the scent of the month. So the pitcher is normally $55, and it's on sale for $49.50. So everything is on a 10% discount with the scent and warmer of the month. So the bar is $6 and it would be $5.40. And the room spray would be originally $8 and it's on sale for $7.20, and the scent circle, which I didn't get, is $3 and would be on sale for $2.70. So it's just a little bit of a discount. It's just a monthly special type of thing. It says on the back of this is what I'm reading, the scent description for the scent of the month, Squeeze the Day. It says, "Pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons, balanced by a hint of vanilla cream." So I was right. It's lemon and vanilla, which I love. Like I've said multiple times, I love very sweet things, but I also love very fruity things. So I love lemons, and the fact that it has vanilla cream in it is amazing. So I'll use these to hand them out as if I'm at the drive-thru, I can hand it out and put a little sticker on it or something. So that is it. Just a quick little video. Like I said, if you would like a sample, please contact me and I would be happy to send you some. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye everyone.